Thinking about a major expense, like a kitchen remodel, consolidating high-interest debt, or sending a kid to college? How are you planning to fund that big life move? For many homeowners, the answer is already built right into their property, the equity. And one of the smartest ways to put that equity to work is with a home equity line of credit, or HELOC, from Patriot Bank. A HELOC is essentially a revolving line of credit secured by the value of your home. Think of it like a credit card, but with a much lower, generally variable interest rate, and a much higher limit, because it's backed by your home equity. Here's why a Patriot Bank HELOC is such a powerful tool. First, the key word is flexibility. Unlike a traditional loan, you don't get one lump sum all at once. Instead, you have a set credit limit, and you only borrow what you need, when you need it, during what's called the draw period. This makes it perfect for ongoing projects, like a multi-stage renovation, or for covering expenses that pop up over time, such as tuition payments. And the best part? You only pay interest on the money you actually use. As you pay down the principal, those funds become available to borrow again. Second, many of Patriot Bank's HELOC options offer the ability to lock in a fixed interest rate on all or a portion of your outstanding balance. This is a huge benefit that provides security. If you take out a large chunk for a specific project, you can lock in a fixed rate on that amount, protecting you from future increases in the variable market rate. You get the flexibility of a line of credit, plus the stability of a fixed-rate loan. Third, Patriot Bank is a local community bank, which means you benefit from local decision-making and personalized service. You're not just a number. You get quick processing and the guidance of an expert who understands your local market and your financial goals. Their team can help you determine how much equity you can borrow against, generally up to a generous percentage of your home's value, minus your existing mortgage balance. So, whether you're looking to enhance your home, simplify your finances by consolidating debt, or invest in your future, a HELOC from Patriot Bank can be the smart, low-cost path to unlocking the capital you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.